All right, guys, let's do a little comparison on, I have a car hauler, 589 right there, and this heavy haul. And we'll look at this split window. I'm gonna flip this camera. The sun is so, it's so bright today. All right, it's so bright. Look at the sky, it's not a cloud in it. Pretty good, you can see the difference here pretty clear. On the glass goes right to the top of the hood, almost under the hood. And on the split window, we're up about 4 inches. You can see the frame going across. So it's a lot higher. Big difference. That's part of the look right there. Our windshield wipers are higher. We don't rebuild it. What would I say? We remanufacture the windshield wiper assembly. We work with a manufacturer, the Pat car manufacturer that originally made it, and they change a couple of arms for us, and they change a couple of mounts, so we can get a short stroke. That would be a long stroke wiper assembly. This would be a short stroke wiper assembly. So it's all Pat car. We just have to move a couple things around. We pop the arms off and put a couple new arms on. Another thing right in here, you know, that's all painted, looks all clean. And then with a big window, it's all rubber. So you got all the rubber and all that. So it's a lot cleaner install. The lights in the middle are really popular. I think pretty much every truck coming in is getting the extra 2. We just center them and put them in. We have the headliner out anyway. It's a pretty good time to do it. If you'll order your trucks with no lights, we can put 9 across. That's a 7 install. If you look at the French trucks in my videos, you can see 9 across on their trucks. They like to put 9. This is the drop bow tie visor. And then of course the chops are part of the package. We do a lot of fancy brake work on that, so that's really strong across there, so you don't get any vibration. And then it's got a couple of stainless bolts in the corners. And then we paint them. That's never coming off. You could take it off, I guess, if you needed to. I don't know why you would take it off, but if you needed to, but it's not going to come off in 30 below weather or 120 in Phoenix. So yeah, that's just a pretty good comparison. This truck did not get the extended cab. A lot of these trucks get the extended cab, all the day cabs. The ones in behind there are all in here for extended cabs and the window packages. That's next week. That'll be pretty cool. Man, I love those 2 colors. They're really good. All right. Thanks for watching my video.